We speak with an accent exceedingly rare. Meet under the statue exceedingly bare. And if you want a cathedral, we've got one to spare in my Liverpool home. I was born in Liverpool down by the docks. My religion was Catholic, occupation hard knocks. And stealing from lorries I was adept. And under old overcoats each night we slept in my Liverpool home. In my Liverpool home. We speak with an accent exceedingly rare.
The dogs are now being taken home. The sidecar is not being turned into a pickup truck. All this has got to eventually go back. We're having hot pot tonight. The battery in the gimbal has just gone flat. So here we go. This is your version. I've done Swaddy Cap.
Swaddy Cap.
Maybe I?
Swaddy Cap.
Go on. Behind the old gimbal's flat. Told them it's Thai version. Dogs don't know.
สวัสดีจ้าตอนนี้มารับหมา2ตัวกลับไปที่เถียงนาน้อยนะคะเนาะแต่ว่าเฮ็ดพัดแล้วได้จ้ะเถียงนาน้อยเฮ็ดพัดแล้วแต่ว่ามาหาไปมันหอนมันเอาหลายไหมจ้ะนี่นี่
Happy Songkran.
Happy Songkran.
The boss lady has just, her son lives there, yeah? We've just been invited to a party later, yeah? We will definitely be going once we get these two settled. They're going. They're going back home. Hope it's not a private conversation. So the kids are going back. And they're all singing, all dancing. Needs to go back for a few alterations and repairs. We did put them under pressure with the mirrors. The mirrors need fixing. Oh God, the dogs are going to chew my horn. Dogs are going to chew my horn. Okay, stop it off.
Yeah.
Now watch. Now, if you go to farangSCOUSER in love with Isan Girl, the bike was left in gear. I've just parked the bike up in neutral. You want to see the difference? I'll make a show of myself now. I'll do make a show of myself. I'll put my shoes on. There we are right there. I'll just throw them in there, won't I? Hang on.
มารู้จักดีใจจะได้ไปห้องหน้า
Keep your hands on that gimbal. Now watch the difference. You ready, kids? First trip on the bike, first of many. See the difference? Bang 2 ตัวนั่งกระจออันนี้ขี่รถ
ไม่ได้จะหน้า
Baby's coming. You're going to fail it.
โอ้ย
Yes, goes.
ตอนนี้มาครับหมาน้อย2 ตัวไปทุ่งนานะคะเด้อทุ่งนาทุ่งไทยทุ่งนาบนหนทางไปเถียงหน้าด้วยจ้ะดูหายคัก นิดหน่อยก็เล่นน้ำ
Sorry about the wobble. The gimbal battery's flat. Oh, you've got double spring suspension. I haven't. I've got none.
Driver, sit down. Sit down. Good girl. I think she happy. She remember. อันจำได้จ้าเบิ่งดูจำได้ว่าเคยอยู่หม่องเคยอยู่นะคะเนาะเอาไปนอนอยู่บ้าน 2-3 คืน
Home for good. All right, no
คนหน้า
gimbal.
นะคะเนาะคนแดง
Hey, neutral. It'll start better next time.
ชิลิมัมบะ มันจำได้หม่องเพิ่นอยู่
Just let it off your leads now. And you're home.
wait
Wait. Hang on. Calm down. Go. Go. Run. Run. Hang on. No, hang on. Wait your turn. It's only because it's the first time you've been on a bike and we weren't sure what you were going to do. And now you're home. Your eyes better. We still need to put drops in them. You put a bit of weight on. There you go. I'll show them your dad's house.
เอาลังเอ้ยเบิ่งดูจ้ะ
That room you've got now. No more ties up.
เบิ่งรถจริงคักเหรอซาเล้งเพิ่นอันนั้นกำลังก็ปลูกเนี่ยปลูกไม่เป็นปลูกเทียงหน้าเด้อบัดนี้จ้ะปลูกเฮียนหน่อยเนาะค่ะเนาะตาก็เป็นอ้ายแป๋วกำลังปลูกเฮียนหน่อยเนาะค่ะ
That one. And I didn't purposely sabotage the gimbal
อืม
because on my channel it was all over the place. So it's not going to chance.
โอเค
See you soon. Happy Songkran, everyone.
แฮปปี้สงกรานต์
We'll see you
จ้า
at our hot pot,
อ่าฮะ
and then we'll see you at the boss's son's birthday party.
see you later
See you soon. Yeah.
bye
Hang on. Have you showed them your dad's house?
yeah sure before I said before
You haven't showed them properly. Come on.
เบิ่งดูจ้ะเฮียนหน่อยกำลังเป็นรูปเป็นร่างเนาะค่ะเนาะ เฮียนหน่อยกำลังเป็นรูปเป็นร่างผมเห็นเถียงหน้าเฮียนหน่อยเบิ่งดูตา70แล้วนะคะปีนไป ตอกตะปูยังเทียง จ้าเป็นอะไรแค่นี้นะคะเนาะวิวสวยๆมาฝากเนาะค่ะเห็นวิวสวยค่ะ อากาศเย็นๆสบายๆ มึงใหญ่มองนอนไปไปผุดเลยเด้อค่ะเด้อ จ้าได้แค่นี้เด้อค่ะเด้อได้กันเดี๋ยวอัปเดตนะคะสวัสดีค่ะบาย
Bye bye. See you later. Fun? You call that fun? That was boring.
Thank you. It's a wrap.
This recording will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
Okay, bye.